This is Sawyer with All Charged Up, and today I'm going to show you how to change the number of active channels on the Motorola RMU2040. Out of the box, the Motorola RMU2040 has 2 active channels that you can use, but it actually has 4 available channels. In order to activate all 4 channels, the first thing you need to do is enter programming mode. To do that, you're going to long press the push to talk button and side button 1 at the same time for 3 to 5 seconds while turning the radio on until you hear an audible voice say programming mode and the channel number.
Programming mode. Channel 1.
The LED indicator will also blink green to indicate that you're in programming mode. Next, we're going to short press the push to talk button 4 times to enter the active channel's programming selection mode.
Frequency. Code. Auto scan. Active channels 2. To change, press side button 1 or 2.
The audible voice announces the current number of active channels and how to change the value. If we want to go from 2 to 4, we'll need to press side button 1 2 times.
3, 4.
We are now set to 4 active channels. To save, we're going to long press the push to talk button
Channel 1.
until we hear the beep, and then to exit programming mode, we're going to long press the push to talk button again or simply turn the radio off.
Channel 1.
The Motorola RMU2040 is now set to 4 active channels. If you ever want to go back to 2 active channels or the default setting, you can simply reset the radio to factory defaults by pressing the push to talk button, side button 1, and side button 2 at the same time while turning the radio on until you hear a high-tone chirp.
Channel 1.
The radio will now be set to 2 active channels once again.